to day number 3? 4?
Starting on Saturday, now it's Tuesday, 4 days.
Something like that. I don't know. Day 4, I think. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, day 4. So as you've seen in the last video, I was fixing the spill-off pipe between, I think it was injector number 1 and 2, because it was leaking a bit. And we're now going this way. I have absolutely no idea where we're going.
To somebody's house.
Yeah, I feel like we're going to someone's house now. We obviously stayed in that house last night. That was already pre-booked, so we stayed there, and most of us didn't have a very great sleep because the beds were a bit hard. What do you think?
No, I did not like it. It was uncomfortable.
Beds were just a bit hard and not the best, but it was inside. We all had a nice shower and we all got all refreshed for today. We're now, well, we've just, oh, this road is not made for this van. Apparently there's a castle. We're in Wick, and apparently there's a castle somewhere. So we're now driving down this lane to find a castle. I don't know. But then we're off to John O'Groats. John O'Groats? Grosh? I don't know. John O'Groats. And then we are off to Thurso, I think it's called. I don't know what's going on, but apparently we stopped.
And someone's driveway.
Mr. Dynamo has come up with an idea.
You want to park here and walk up there, or you're alright to drive up there? That's what I say. Is it better to just park here?
Ask a princess back there. So yeah, apparently we're trying to figure out what we're doing now. Apparently there's a castle up here. But yeah, we're off to do this, go see this castle, off to John O'Groats, and then off to Thurso.
Thursday. That's what you thought it was called. Thursday.
Then we're off up to Thurso. I thought it was there Thursday. Minus the day bit, I thought it was Thursday. But, in all fairness, kind of nice. Hi Dynamo.
Yeah, just park here.
Yeah?
Just like, oh, we can drive up there.
Yeah.
Like, no, we will walk.
Right. So, there we go. We're going to park here. Once we actually get there and do whatever we need to be doing, I'll pick a camera up and you can see what we're doing. So, see you in a moment. Well, we are currently at Wick Castle, which, oh, there it is, right by there. And we've just been having a little look about. Everyone else is sort of wandering. Look at this. I hope the camera is going to show this. But look how deep this is. This is beautiful. We were literally just saying a minute ago, the air is fresher, the grass is just soft, and oh, this is lovely. Really nice by here. Apparently they're supposed to be puffins here. They're not here now, but they're supposed to be puffins here. But we've literally just here taking pictures. You can get over the other side somewhere and go see the castle, but we're not there. We're over here enjoying this. This is beautiful.
A very big drop.
Show them yeah.
Cool as hell.
This is really nice. So what is your thoughts on this place?
It's cool, ski. I don't want to sound like the edge again, ski.
Yeah, we're literally, every single one of us has walked, well, John walked towards the edge and was just like, oh my god! And we've all got quite close to the edge and just, yeah, got a bit weird because of how far down. The camera's probably not going to show it, but...
I feel what was on there. He's going through a long...
Toby threw something like a big rock down there and just sort of threw it off the edge, and it fell for way too long. But we're just going to enjoy this scenery a little bit. I thought I'd show you a little bit of what's going on, but we're going to enjoy this scenery a little bit, and yeah, we'll see you in a mo. But NC500 baby, Cinema. Well, this is just phenomenal. This is so beautiful. I don't know if you can even see her. John's missus is over there. Di and his kids are over there. John's decided he's going down here. Also, that's how far down he is.
No.
I kind of want to go down there.
Me?
Should we go down there?
Me?
What do you reckon? Get away from the edge. What do you reckon?
And yeah.
See when we get down there. Well, this is now the other end of what you just seen. We was just up there. And now we're by here. I mean, unfortunately, people have been chucking their rubbish down there, which is a shame. But this is... Whoa, he fell over then. This is monstrous. There's wheels. It's a shame if someone's just dumped all this lot down there. No. Right, we're gonna go make our way down there to the... Oh, it's John. So we're just gonna have a little rumble down towards the water. So, whoa! It's a shame there's loads of there's a scrap man in the area. There's loads of metal down here.
So we're now. So we're making our way up with being the new scrap man. So, but we're making our way up, and then our next journey is somewhere I don't know.
Well, here we are. We're actually in John O'Grosh now, and we stopped off at some beach. I didn't bother picking the camera up, but we actually stopped off at a beach and sort of spent a couple of hours there and had lunch and played on the beach. Got some souvenirs, which none of them... Oh, you've got there of it.
There's a rock and a shell.
We've got other shells down here and whatnot. And we're now just on our way to, well, the furthest point we can get to. But the roads are dreadful. So this is good fun. We've hit the exhaust, we've hit the gearbox mount, everything's hitting the floor, but we are very, very close to the tippity top of the whole of the UK, which is a nice little milestone. So far the police have gone past and laughed, and so is that man in that van. I think John's about to hit the floor. Oh, that's exhaust.
It's
Not bad. But we are here. So we are actually at the tippity top of the UK. Yeah, boy. Right, anyway, we're going to get ourselves a bit more set up. I'll pick a camera up in a minute once we're actually doing something, so I'm trying to find somewhere to park. So, see you in a moment. Well, there we are. We are actually here. There's mine, there's John's, there's Di's. We are actually at John O'Grosh. Look at that. Most northerly point, and we've reached it. Now, we have already been here for a little while, admittedly. We had a little bit of a walk around. We went to the gift shop, and I think John's just over there getting some food. We were talking to some Canadian people been alright.
Yes.
Very windy though, we'll say that much. Very windy. But why not bring you along and you can have a little look at the views with us, which would be nice. The big famous sign. Edinburgh, Land's End, New York, Auckland. The big John O'Grosh. And then we did walk all of this a lot earlier. Took some photos. But it's quite a nice sign to say. Good few gift shops here. Also, we did see this big sticker wall. Had to be done. There you go. Doghouse sticker is on the sticker wall. Ta-da.
Oh, it's nice and warm.
Well, there we go. There's our John O'Grosh visited. We're going to sit in the van for a bit. John and his missus are just getting some food. I think Di's just visiting the gift shop. But we're going to sit in here and get warm because it's very, very cold up the end. So we're going to sit here and get a bit warm. Oh, that's alright.
Can we do it here now?
Yeah, I'll do it now.
Okay.
That's right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Managed to get there. So we're going to sort of see what we're doing. I'm not quite sure what we're doing next, but I think we're going to go somewhere. But torso or something. So when we get there, I think I'll pick the camera up and we'll finish the video. So we'll see you when we get there. Right, I don't quite know what this place is called, but it's a big old lighthouse. If you go right, hi Tobe. If you go right down the bottom down there, you can see puffins. We can't because they're not there at the minute. But it's absolutely freezing. But it's really nice. Views are lovely. I'm going to try and remember to try and put a bunch of pictures in as best I can. But northerly point of mainland Britain. We've officially done it. Whoop whoop. Happy days. Right, we're going to go to Torso, go find somewhere to pitch up, go get some food. I'll probably pick this camera up tomorrow now because, yeah, it's a bit cold. We're hungry. We're all cold. So we're going to get that done. So we're going to get that done. We'll see you in a bit.